nations. Okay. And any such thing which abrogates, which violates the law of the land or human rights, we go there. There is International Court of Justice, there is Security Council, there is UN General Assembly. No, only 5 members are there for Security Council. So, who have the veto power? Oh, excuse me. Again, my mind started getting fresh. So, the more I yawn, the mind gets fresh. It's reverse for me. For others, they'll feel sleepy. For me, it gets fresh. So, whatever happens at United Nations. All unanimous decisions needs to be taken here, because they do not consider that the whole world is being considered as a global village here. You know what's a global village, no? So everybody has to benefit from it, rather than see anything, food, children abuse, women abuse, racial abuses, all things, all wars, everything will be stopped by UN. But I don't know why they are not stopping the present war. Okay. So international law, which refers to certain certain formal statements. जाओ बेटे, खत्म कर लगा, जाओ 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 जाओ, पहले मुंह धो लिया, बाद में रेड किया, खाली पेट पियो ना, मुंह धो के बाद पानी पियो, पानी पिए जरूरत के बाद दिया. International law, which refers to certain formal statements of principle, PRINCIPLE, not your college principal, that is principal, this is principle. In engineering and science, it is common for engineering and science students. Principle, it's not that it is new to arts students or commerce students. They say no, ethics and principles. Usul or adarsh, that only that is. Principle such as convention on the rights of the child. Convention on the rights of the child. Very important. Any idea why they are protecting children? Anybody can tell. What is the secret behind protecting the children? Anybody can tell. What is so special that they are protecting children? I'm audible, no? You can hear me.
Yes, sir.
So what is so special? Why they want to protect children? When they say conventions on the rights of the child, what is so special and why they want to protect children? You tell me. Anybody, whatever their idea is. Khatija, कई को बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट करती सुनो.
Because children are the nation.
Okay. Rumana, कई को बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट कर रही सुनो.
Because children are the future of the nation state. Without the youths, how can the state run?
Okay. रमीज, कई को बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट कर रही सो. क्या वास्ते बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट करती?
Sir, at that point of time, they don't have a sane mind to act individually or act with their own will. So it comes under the guardianship. So that's why they are protecting it, sir. And it's a convention followed by forefather.
Yes. Basic reason everybody think they are very small. Okay, they do not have. They are not so judicious to make a decision. Okay, definitely agree. They are the future of the country. But what happens? We need to protect them, no? Because we don't know what is getting infected, or which airborne disease is there, which flu is there. Okay, any airborne diseases, any influenza, any epidemics. Okay, now what now is happening is pandemic, epidemics, malaria, all these things. They'll be very small. Children are not of the same age. Please remember. So they should be protected because उनको इतनी समझ नहीं है कि वो क्या करना चाहिए. इसके लिए आप उनको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. समझे क्या? तो आप आपके बच्चे हैं ना, छोटे छोटे बच्चे आपके भाई बहन रहते छोटे छोटे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्मॉल वंस, नॉट द बिगर वंस. इवन द बिगर वंस, कैन दे यूज देयर वन माइंड? उनको मालूम है क्या क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है. तो दैट इज द रीजन दे आर बीइंग प्रोटेक्टेड, द राइट्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड. और क्या हो रहा है, रेशियल अब्यूजेस हो रहे हैं. खाना नहीं मिलता इनको, पानी नहीं मिलता. यू डोंट थिंक ओनली अबाउट इंडिया, ओके, यू थिंक अबाउट द होल वर्ल्ड. यू थिंक अबाउट अफ्रीका. कितने बच्चों को खाना नहीं मिलता. How many people are undernourished, malnourished, or they don't have food to eat? Might be one meal in a day. You can just imagine, no? एक खाना पूरे दिन में. So how it will be? और समझो आपके पास एक ही रोटी है पूरा सारा दिन के लिए. Okay, बच्चे के लिए. So at that age when they are growing, minimum pulses, minimum requirement of food is required. That is why their rights are being protected. बहुत छोटे होते हैं, बहुत छोटे. So what happens? So all these things, that is why the rights of the child are important. I hope you understood why I'm stressing on the rights of the child. Okay, that is why they are protected. Then next line, conventions adopted by international bodies. Conventions adopted by, no, adoption of children also happens. Children who are left, छोड़ देते हैं बच्चों को, अडॉप्शन सेंटर्स में जाना पड़ता है, उनको अडॉप्ट करना पड़ता है. Very sad state. Just imagine how it will be. Children left at shelters, children left at all these adoption homes. Very sad. It's very sad. So especially in India, you can just imagine, no, our old classical traditional thought. So in states like Haryana and Punjab, even today, the ratio for 1,000 men, I think there are 800 women, because they kill the girl child when it is born. So now at least now it is come down, I think. Earlier they used to put them, उनको जमीन में गाड़ के घोड़े भगाते थे उनके ऊपर. So such animals were there. So today also there are there, but the percentage of animals have come down. All these things, all old kind of old classical thought, especially if women, child, girl baby is born, and all this kind, even after so many years, that's not gone. That is not gone. Most of them, no, when you listen to them, when you tell, when a baby girl is born, oh, they'll start, भाई को बच्ची पैदा हो गया, उसकी शादी करना, we have to get her married, उसका खर्चा कैसा करना पूरा, that all that will come in mind even before the child has become 25 years or 20 years. They'll start thinking at day one only. And if useless boy babies are born, oh, तुम्हारा वंश उद्धार पैदा हुआ. That is what they'll tell, no, oh, baby boy, congratulations. Your progeny is continuing, and तुम्हारा नाम लेने वाला है, this, that and all the still bakwas is continuing. Okay, there's no differentiation. God has only made either boy or girl. There can be not others are, what is the problem if it is other. In society today again they are fighting with that other transgender. Okay, so a society needs to think in equal terms. Okay, start thinking and never think, that's for sure, especially in countries, third world countries, because that discrimination is always there. Unfortunately, there can be either man or woman, there can neither be the third. Okay, so that is how society thinks. I'm traditional thinking. How they'll say thumbs up when the boy baby is born, oh, as if they have won the World Cup. And if they lost the World Cup, the baby girl is born. That is the attitude towards people. Okay, all these things, no, All these things you can't help, and neither it's in your control. Only there can be two forms of babies which can be formed. Is there any other form which is being born? So why the differentiation? The same right should be given to the girl child. Okay. I'm talking here about the rights, the equality. Okay, the gender equality. How much is going on? No, everybody knows what kind of system prevails in our country. How many people are sent back after marriage from their homes after they get married to their homes? What should the parents do? All these kinds of things there are there. When you become lawyers, now you know what this is. What I'm telling you, you will see in reality in courts. Okay, that is your future. So, if anybody has any other opinion, they can tell. Any other opinion? कोई और सोच है क्या? किस तरह हम सोचना चाहिए गर्ल चाइल्ड के बारे में? Something new is there other than giving equal rights? In meeting because in between I'm getting calls. Again, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, in between I start getting calls. That is the reason. So sorry for that. So any other opinion about women? कोई और दूसरा opinion है क्या women child के ऊपर जो उनके ऊपर abuse हो रहा है उनको protect करना चाहिए उनको equality देना चाहिए all that already है job it है जाओ go soon गीजर ऑन करो 5 मिनट ऐसा no so anyway anybody else anybody has any other opinion on how the child should be protected what it can be done International Labour Organization is doing a world over. WHO is doing a world over. That is World Health Organization, International Labour Organization, United Nations International Children's Education Fund, UNICEF. Okay, it's going on now. Also, I think those are in Facebooks and those are in all social media and all that. They might be getting United Nations International Children's Education Fund, UNICEF, UN, and all that to help India in donation for COVID-19 pandemic. Because I feel we are doomed inside COVID-19 now. That is the word. Dooms jata na, it's a doomed. We are doomed into it. Whereas the world is pointing fingers towards us. So, you know now what is the population of India? It's nearly 1.35 crores. Okay. 1.35. What we call it? It's not crores, sorry, 1.35 billion. Oh, yeah, 135 crore की population. It's a very huge number. Okay. And just imagine the number of deaths that have happened today. Yesterday also I think in Karnataka 525 people died. And out of the 300 people died in Bangalore alone. So we're just going through probably our worst phase in our Indian history. Okay. This pandemic has brought everybody down to cripples, and we are kneeling actually and begging to God, I think. Okay. Nobody wants to tell it, but I'm telling it openly. Everybody is scared now because nobody knows aapka number kab aayega. So, and the third wave is even more dangerous. For those who are thinking it's not going to be so dangerous. On an average, 40,000 deaths will happen per day if that comes. Just you can imagine how dangerous it is. And might be at your age, you can go get yourself vaccinated. I think Sputnik is going to come in Apollo hospitals. Those have crossed 18. So it's going to cost between 1,000 to 1,250 rupees. So go take that medicine. It's only one time, okay? So go to the Apollo's hospitals. So Rida niche kone dekh ja. So कौन है इस नीचे? हाँ. So gas, Indian gas. So be very careful, please. Protect your lives and protect others' lives. You're not going out of the house. People are thinking it's still fun, but on an average, I think if we don't protect ourselves, per day 86,000 people can die. That is nearly 1 lakh. Okay. So everybody knows now what is happening now in and around India. Forget the world. In and around you only we can know what is the magnanimity of that and how dangerous it is. So please be very, very careful and protect yourself. So we come back again to the subject. Conventions adopted by the international bodies, BODIES. Conventions adopted by the international bodies, BODIES, such as the ILO, capital ILO, such as the ILO or International Labour Organization and the United Nations, International Labour Organization and the United Nations. They are the one who are doing it now. Okay. I hope so. The pandemic comes down and all over the globe, so many people are dying. It's happening probably after 100 years. That's what they say after the Spanish flu. It wiped out 1 million people all over the world. 1 million people all over the world. Just imagine. 100 crore people all over the world. Oh, just imagine the population must have drastically come down in those countries. What happens if the population comes down? Any idea? Population कम होने से क्या होता है? It's not that you'll have more space to walk and more space to breathe. That is definitely there. But क्या होता है? Any idea? क्यों population एकदम कम होने से क्या problem होता है? Might be even if it's a wrong answer, you can tell me. What happens if the population suddenly comes down?
सर सारा सिस्टम खराब हो जाता है सर, लाइक गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम समथिंग.
गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम नहीं समझो. अभी फार्मर्स ज्यादा मर गए. The farmers died more. Who will cultivate the crops? अभी किसी ने सोचा क्या इसके बारे में? इसके लिए फार्मर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
यस सर.
ज्यादा आदमी एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में जाना पड़ेगा. ज्यादा आदमी जो काम कर रहे हैं, ज्यादा आदमी को काम सीखना पड़ेगा. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू हैव टू डू इट. You are not prepared to do it. All of a sudden you are supposed to do it. So ज्यादा प्रेशर पड़ेगा आदमी लोग के ऊपर. So इसके लिए पॉपुलेशन ड्रास्टिकली डाउन होने से बहुत डेंजरस है. कोई भी चीज इकोनॉमिक्स अकॉर्डिंग टू इकोनॉमिक्स कम नहीं होनी चाहिए, ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. Suddenly there is a rise now, no, in the cases. So suddenly कोई चीज होने से it will bring down and cripple down the system.
नहीं बुलाते, मैं फेमस नहीं. जा बस.
So the next one, Conventions adopted usually. USUALLY.
Sir, it's continuation.
Next line. Conventions adopted usually apply only to conventions adopted usually apply only to two countries. TWO. रखो जी गरम को आरो गरम कर डालो मेरा से डिस्टर्बेंस होने का नहीं फॉरेन के बातें करना क्लास लेना ना बेटे नहीं बोलेंगे वैसा चाहती तो कैसा मालूम है लिस्ट है करो एक के बाद एक आती सब नाम आता नहीं हाँ मैं चुड़ी मेरी conventions adopted usually apply only to two countries that ratified them ratified them and do not automatically apply to the members state of such bodies and do not automatically apply to the members state of such bodies means it is a bilateral दूसरे कंट्री के साथ ट्रीटी साइन ओके बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज यूरो ओके यूरो इज अ करेंसी जिसको मालूम है यूरो इज अ करेंसी और वो करेंसी में वो लोग सब सारे यूरोपियन कंट्रीज क्या किया ट्रीटी से उन लोग तब कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री को जाता हो जो भी है तरह का है दे आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ यूरोप ठीक है तो उन लोग क्या किया कॉमन करेंसी रख लिया उनका इंडिविजुअल करेंसी अलग रहता है मगर उसके साथ साथ क्या करते हैं लोग यूरो उसको स्टैंडर्ड करेंसी बना दिया तमाम यूरोप की कंट्रीज हैं तकरीबन शायद नॉट वेरी गुड एट ज्योग्राफी इन काउंटिंग दैट बट राउंड अबाउट तुम्हें 40 कंट्रीज मिलेंगे तो इन एंड अराउंड यूरोपियन कंट्रीज तो इंग्लैंड हैड एक्सेप्टेड इट बट नाउ आई डोंट थिंक सो दे आर रनिंग विद इट आयरलैंड में अभी भी चल रहा है जर्मनी द ओरिजिनल वाज इटली बेल्जियम France, Netherlands, Germany, and Greece. I think not Greece, but now Spain, Portugal. There are a lot of countries there actually. So around 40, I think around 40 to 45 countries must be there. So these guys are all operating with the team. And in Russia, 50 certain types of not 50, I think at least. Around about 30 to 35% of Russia is in Europe. Okay, European Russia. So might be there you have euro as a currency. So because that is they have generalized that. Okay, generalized means what? Some country requires steel, it gets transported from another country. Somebody requires cement, it gets transported from another country. That is their rail network system is like that. They have made it like that. So that is their way of understanding each other. Okay, even though they speak different languages. Okay. Everybody knows, no? Germans speak German. Germany, the language is German. In France, it is French. Okay. So similarly, in Spain, it is Spanish. In Portugal, it is Portuguese. They don't speak the same language. So in Italy, it is Italian. So in Poland, it is Polish. So it is not a common language that they are speaking, but they speak through common currency. They have signed the treaties. Okay. Certain countries I have no idea what language they are speaking. Okay. Countries like Belgium, no idea what language they speak. Okay. But still they are united by way of networking systems and through conventions they have signed. Convention and treaty means what? First of all, it is recorded. You remember conventions, आज के दौर का convention पुराने दौर के convention से किस लिए अलग है? पुराने दौर के convention में मुंह से बोला जाता था, हम सुना करते थे और उसको फॉलो किया करते थे. आज का कन्वेंशन क्या हो गया है, हम सुन रहे हैं मगर उसको रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. एंड ट्रीटी जब साइन हो रही है उसको फोटोग्राफ, लाइक इंडिया का समझो आप, इंडियन फॉरेन सर्विस डिप्लोमेट्स वो साइन करके दूसरे कंट्री वाले को देते हैं, वो डॉक्यूमेंट होता है, उसको फोटो पकड़ी जाती है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ट्रीटी फॉलो की जाती है. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड बाइलैटरल एग्रीमेंट्स. जनरल एग्रीमेंट भी है, ट्राइलैटरल भी है, क्वाड्रिलैटरल भी है एग्रीमेंट्स, ज्यादा ज्यादा कंट्रीज के साथ भी है. Okay, but Europe, particularly why I'm telling you is they have different types of resources. माने उनके पास अलग अलग तरह के resources हैं. They are using it and they are using it and benefiting for all that region. Okay, ताकि सिर्फ उन लोग का डेवलपमेंट नहीं, अगल बगल के सारे कंट्रीज का डेवलपमेंट हो. Okay, at one time. That is why those countries are more in GDP. Those countries are more in progress. Okay, most of the European countries. Okay, when compared to Asian countries, the development indicator is more in this thing, European countries. That is why it is more productive. Okay, so we continue again. Ratified and do not automatically apply to member state of such bodies. Now the third one, next line. These conventions are you're able to hear or what? I got it mute.
Now, sir.
Now we
Yeah,
got to hear.
I told you I'm not a very good mobile user. So probably you should know how much elbowed I am in mobile now. So these conventions are generally seen having the force of international treaties. These conventions are generally seen having the force of international treaties for the ratifying countries. having the force of international treaties, TREATIES, treaties. ट्रीटीज का तो एक्चुअली क्या मालूम, एक वार हो रहती है इससे पहले, तो वार में बहुत सारे आदमी मर गए रहते। जनरली ट्रीटी जब भी होती है, वो पीस ट्रीटी बाद में कर लेती है। ट्रीटी क्या करती है, जब बहुत ज्यादा जानो माल का नुकसान होता है, दो कंट्रीज को भी अकल आगे रहती है, लड़कों को नुकसान हो रहता है, तो जब क्या करती है, ट्रीटी साइन कर अग्री कर रहती है कि हमें वी विल नॉट फाइट अगेंस्ट ईच अदर, रादर वी यूज आवर ओन रिसोर्सेस करको यूज कर, वैसा करना। सो तो कहते सा लड़ती, और क्या फोर्स थियरी, अकॉर्डिंग टू फोर्स थियरी एवरीथिंग वाज ऑक्यूपाइड बाय फोर्स, खाली लड़ते 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 आदमी मर जाती, आखिर कौन जिंदा रहती, सब लड़ लड़ को मर गए। तो गॉट इट, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर डूइंग ट्रीटीज। समझ में आना, कहीं को ट्रीटी कर रही कर, तुम्हें दोस्ती करनी, तुम्हारे दोस्तों के साथ तुम्हें ट्रीटी करती नहीं, पहले लड़ लेती हैं, बाद में दोस्ती करती हैं, बाद में ट्रीट देती, पोस्ट ट्रीटी। आसान आसान वर्ड्स असे समझने का। सो ट्रीटी इज वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी। लड़ने से क्या अभी सोल्यूशन मिलता नहीं। पहली बात, वार लड़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। समझ में आया तो वार लड़ने की जरूरत क्या है, बोले तो समझ में नहीं आता क्या आदमी को। तो क्या होता है, दिस द बेस्ट नोन इज जेनीवा कन्वेंशन। इसमें सबसे बेहतरीन कन्वेंशन जो वर्ल्ड में एग्री करे उसको बोलते हैं जेनीवा कन्वेंशन। आज को भी लैंडमार्क जजमेंट है, तो जेनीवा कन्वेंशन। इसके पहले भी था, वियना डिक्लेरेशन था, ट्रीटी ऑफ वार्सा था, वार्सा का पैक्ट था। तो ये बहुत सारे क्या हुआ, वार्सा इज द कैपिटल ऑफ पोलैंड, ठीक है। क्या होता है, कॉन्स्टेंटली वॉर में लड़ते लड़ते रहते हो, तुम्हारा डेवलपमेंट कब होता है, तुम्हारा ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडिकेटर कब बढ़ता है, तुम्हारे बच्चे की स्कूल्स कब खुलती है, तुम्हें कब जा रही है। लास्ट 2 years nobody is going to school, neither you are, I think last how many, from last how many months you are not going to the college, any idea? So do you think development can happen in this fashion? Might be today we are doing online classes, but is it equal to the offline classes which we have when we talk to each other? I'll be able to explain more better, no, and you will be able to understand more better. This is like one way traffic. You are only hearing me and I'm only telling. Neither I know whether you are able to understand, and neither I know whether you are concentrating or not. I told you, so many people are just putting it in a loudspeaker and they are going and working what they want. So this is not doing justice to education. Okay, yeah, might be for this is काम चलाओ, but otherwise I don't agree in all this one way traffic. Okay, next line. It is applicable for those countries. It is applicable for those countries.
Sir, treaties after that.
The best known is Geneva Convention. Geneva, Geneva, Geneva Convention. This is a place in Switzerland. Okay, Geneva. Capital of Switzerland is Bern, Berne, Bern. And the currency of Switzerland is francs, Swiss francs. We have one of the United Nations organization in this thing. What do you say? One is in Rome, and the other is in the United Nations headquarters